So trying to make use of this Volvo RTI. So what I did is I removed the LCD screen, which I don't need, and I don't think I could use it because there's no AV in or composite input or HDMI input. So this is pretty much good for parts. What I'm going to do is actually put some monitor in here. So I already got the shell out. And these are all the bolts or the screws that I took out from the assembly. So what I did is basically just remove the cover, open this front one. Yeah, just disassemble it. I think most of the electronics here could be gutted. I'll just leave this assembly. So this is the gear. You could actually like just rotate it so that it will go up and down. This gear actually there's a motor for that, and here's the gear that makes it up and down. I think what I will do is I'll set up some sort of a circuit here such that I could electronically make it up and down, probably a switch, and then put some trigger out there to make it stop when it's at the topmost position. So, yep. So if I rotate this one, if I rotate this gear, it will actually, oh, maybe the other way around. You see. Yep, see that it goes down when I rotate it clockwise, and it goes up counterclockwise. So you could do it manually. So I'll probably set up a circuit here that will move the motor, and then it becomes tight then. So I'm gonna remove some of the electronics here, especially this portion here. We don't need this anymore. It goes to the screen, so that's why I took it off. This ribbon cable, I took it off. So this whole thing here, so basically it goes in like this. I could actually replace it with a 7-inch monitor. And yep, probably a GPS. So this one is not necessary, but I need this frame actually. Take out the circuit board. The circuit board is bolted by these metal tabs in here. So you just straighten them, and then once you straighten them, this PCB could be discarded. So this is my setup. I just use a Garmin GPS. Just use a Garmin GPS, and then gutted everything here. So there's really nothing here. No electronics, only this one just for cover. And then this is, I use a USB for testing. And then I got also the connections for the motor. And then it goes to a switch here. Yep. Oh yeah, putting a switch. This is a reversing polarity switch. So that is powered up. So I'm gonna test the disconnect this one and change it to power up the motor. Okay. So let's turn this off. So me fishing the power supply for my navigation. So I have to take out the this one, and then I have to tap the 12-volt power there from the cigarette lighter terminals. And then yep, the wires, 2 wires already there. So I'm just gonna fish them here. Yep. Then I'm gonna put back the stereo. Should be good then. I'm gonna solder it there. That's the terminal. There's like a violet and a ground. Violet and a black. Black is the ground one. Okay, got it soldered over there. Tape it. And this is unit ready to go. Testing it if it has power. And it has power. I connected my phone to it and it's charging. So yeah, time to bolt this in and put the navigation there. Okay, so here's now my setup. I already put it there in place. And the wiring is there. I got all the USB plugged in, and a moment of truth, see if it will work. Oh, low tire pressure. Okay. See if this moves up. Oh my gosh. Yep, it moves up and it's on, showing Garmin. Yep, I have to agree, and let's put this all down. Up again. Down. Yeah, the thing right now is that if the cigarette lighter is on or the accessory is on, the GPS is also on all the time. So probably in the future I might tweak it, but it should be okay. So got it all bolted in. T20 torque screws. Yep. Yeah, that's the dual power USB that I have in there. And there should be a play on the cable that goes up and down. It should be okay when I put it. Okay, so here's the deal with my navigation. It's currently binding over here because probably my screen is a little bit off, so I cannot like move it down, so it's just partially right there, and I could make it go up. Yep. So yeah, even this one I cannot even do it. I think it's because of this stuff that I used. The screen is a little thicker, or it protrudes a little bit, but yeah, at least I have a map in there and it's working. So I'll just put it down there. Yep, should be fine. Probably best way is to just leave it on all the time. Yep, like that all the time. Yep. Cool. So we could do where to, points of interest, food, I'm hungry, American, like cafe, go. There you go. Yep. So here's the stuff that I took out from the GPS. I think I got a screen here. I don't know if I could, I don't know if somebody needs it or I could sell it in eBay. I was looking for a screen here. Already sent a electronic.